I don't get it. What? I just don't get it.
Today I'm going to help you understand Pythagoras' theorem. This is a rule that can help us solve problems involving right-angled triangles. Pythagoras' theorem states that the area of the square formed on the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle is equal to the sum of the areas of the two squares formed on the two shorter sides. I know it sounds quite complicated, but it's really quite simple. Have a look at this triangle. If we formed three squares on each of the sides like this, we could find the area of each one. If we found the area of the red one, then the area of the yellow one, we could add these together, and it would equal the area of the largest square, in this case, the orange square. This will always work as long as the triangle is right-angled. Also, we can make things easier by squaring the lengths of the sides instead of drawing out the squares. As a square has four equal sides, we would find the area by timesing two of the sides together. Remember that squaring means to times by itself. Have a look at this example. We know that the two shorter sides are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. If I square these numbers and add them together, I will have the area of the square on the longest side. Remember that this is also called the hypotenuse. So 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. Added together, this gives 25. We need to remember that this is the area of the square, and not the length of the sides, so to find the length I need to take the square root of this value, the inverse, or opposite of squaring. The square root of 25 is 5, which is the length of the side I'm trying to find. Simple, innit? Have a go at these examples. Pause the video and work out the missing lengths. When you have done this, press play to check your answers. All answers have been rounded to 1 decimal place. Okay, now that you have cracked this, you need to be able to find one of the shorter sides. The method is the same, but instead of adding the squared values, we subtract them. Have a look at this example. I'm trying to find one of the shorter sides this time. So, first I need to square the lengths. 13 squared is 169, and 5 squared is 25. So if I take 25 from 169, I get 144. This represents the area of the square formed on the side I'm trying to find. The final step is to square root to find the length. So the square root of 144 is 12, which is the length I'm trying to find. Simple. Test yourself with the following examples. Pause the video until you have solved each one, and then check your answers. Sometimes in an exam they will try to apply this to a practical situation. Remember to look for the labeled right angle to help give you a hint that you may have to use this rule. Try these, then check your answers. So remember, firstly square the lengths you are given. Add these values if you are finding the longest side. Subtract them if you are finding one of the shorter ones. Finally, take the square root to find the missing length. Don't forget to show all your steps of working to gain full method marks. Good luck!